Okay, this is Oliver Crimp, and this is video number 1 of my video diary journal. I've been in college for, well, this is my third Monday. Yeah, pretty much already moved in. Things are pretty different around here, but I should be fine. I mean, I'll talk to some of my floor mates tomorrow instead of just a camera. Hey.
Hi?
I'm Oliver. I'm your neighbor.
Yeah, sure.
So, see you later.
Uh-huh. Whatever.
Oh, hey. I'm new to the floor. Do you? What am I gonna do?
Someone is at your front door.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
I think we're neighbors. I see you around a lot. Yeah, I'm like right down the hall.
Oh yeah. I always see you like walking around at 2 a.m.
Oh yeah. You know, yeah. Me and my roommate, we smash. Like we have a lot of fun.
What?
Like we play Minecraft together.
Oh yeah. Like video games.
Yeah. So you're welcome to join us anytime if you play Minecraft. You know.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, of course. You know, don't be a stranger.
I'll be a normaler.
Someone is at your front door.
Yes. I know, it's me. In high school, everybody knew my name. Oliver. Oh. Why did Dave have this? Everybody said hi. We used to do crazy stuff together. We used to play Minecraft. We used to jump on train tracks. Dave even almost got shot in real life. Yep. Now where are we? Where even am I? 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 Where even am I?
Oh, hi, Oliver. I'm alright. How are you? A graveyard? Why? Yeah, I like building weird things too. Of course I'd love to see you. Okay, see you later.
Dude, I have 3 essays due next Friday, and I only did 1 of them. 3 essays. And, like, my neighbors are the worst. I leave them, like, gifts in front of their doors. I leave them notes, like, saying, hi, I'm here. But when they're in the hallway right in front of me, they don't even say hi to me. They don't even say hi. I just remembered I have a 4th essay! I forgot about... I can't fucking deal with this. See, he didn't even check. They didn't even check. They didn't fucking help. Oh, hey, Casey.
Yo, what's up, Oliver? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
You met my roommate Darren yet?
Yeah, we did meet the other day.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I was having a bad day. Didn't mean to slam the door in your face.
You know what? Don't even worry about it.
Darren,
Yeah, Oliver.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Guess what, man?
What?
We're playing Minecraft. You want to play with us?
Oh, yeah, sure. Wait, let me get my computer.
Alright.
Wait, why are you recording us?
Because of how badly I'm about to smoke you in Bed Wars.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
How do you know I'm number 1 in the state of New York?
Well, I'm not from New York, so... What are you gonna do, write our names in the graves in your graveyard?
Yeah, it's kind of weird that you built that.
What, like in Minecraft?
Yeah, in Minecraft.
I didn't tell you about that. What?
Yeah, you did tell us.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Well, it doesn't matter. Because after I'm done with you guys, you're gonna need one. I actually want to show you something. I remember building this church. Me and my high school friends met in church in real life when we were too young to tell our parents we didn't want to go. After that, we kept hanging out, and every day after high school, we'd come on this world and do whatever we wanted. And I built this church, and Dave built the graveyard next to it. So, yeah. Well, he had a sense of humor, but this one was funnier in his head.
Hey,
Hi.
a few days back, when I left the room, I was in a call.
Okay.
I didn't leave because you came.
Okay.
I'm sorry if that made you upset.
And bam! 2 essays done, 2 to go. You know, I think I deserve to let off a little bit of steam. Yeah, get this guy out of here. Yeah, Minecraft. Oh, I thought I logged off near the church. Thought. What the hell? Okay, get that out of here. What was that? What? You saw that too, right? I know that wasn't just me.
Someone is at your front door.
Hello? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck?
Hey,
What?
what the hell? What?
Who are you? What? Help! Help! Casey! Darren! God! Anyone!